Okay, so I know today was going to be the day we show you the pizza dough recipe, but we weren't 100% happy with it. We tweaked it a little bit, so we're going to make today's pizza, and hopefully this comes out good. If it does, tomorrow's video, I'm going to make it tomorrow, so as soon as I can finish editing it. And this week it'll be for sure 100%. We just want to make sure it's 100% a go. So this is the one we're going to go with. This is the one with strong baker's flour, semolina, I don't know what's durum wheat, it's whole wheat, olive oil, and a little bit of yeast, like this much. Fresh yeast. I don't know how to use instant yeast. I have no idea. I want to use fresh yeast. So I don't know. Maybe you go to your local bakery and ask and buy some wherever you are. I'm sure you can get fresh yeast somewhere. Or come by the bakery where I work and I'll sell you some. So there you go. So today's the day this is our final New York style pizza. This is it. This is the dough we're going with. So if it works out, this is the one we're going to show you how to make it this week. We're sorry for the delay, but we want to make sure it's perfect. So our oven, the convection's at 550. That's the highest it will go. And the top one's at 500. And that's the highest it will go. If your oven can go higher, put it higher. But 550 should be okay. I wish it can go to 600-700. And when we get the pizza Q oven, the pizza Q goes to 700, so we'll do that. So here we go. So we got salami, bacon, olives. I want to make this quick. Onions, mushrooms, peppers, got our sauce, mozzarella, and our olive oil ready. So let's rock and roll. This is going to be quick. This pizza works out. This is going to be our go-to recipe. Sorry for the delay, everybody. Thanks for watching. New York style. This is the last New York style pizza we're going to be practicing. This is it. This is the last one. This works out. This is it. All right, so this is going to be it. Our New York style pizza. After this one's done, then afterwards, it's our go-to. So let's get rocking. Our first one we're going to make is just cheese. That way it makes Ava happy. My little girl. And by the way, this is sitting for 5 days in the fridge. It makes it super easy to stretch. That's why it took us some time too. Look how quick. It's real quick, easy. The oven is ready. Our next one. This one might be a little bit too big, but I'll trim it up. I know, you see me kill the pizza, you're saying, why is he killing it for? You're right. I'm in a hurry. I have to go pick up another kid at 4 o'clock, so. All right. This is gonna be the cheese one. Hopefully Eva likes it. Okay, so I'm gonna trim this up. I'm gonna come back, we're gonna put the sauce, the cheese, and we're gonna put it all in there for you. So we'll be right back. This time we're not gonna forget the olive oil. All right, our crusts are all ready. Our sauce is ready. We're gonna start, it's gonna be quick. It's gonna be super delicious. Oh, I hope it's super delicious. We worked hard on this. Let's put it that way. I think my favorite pizza I've had so far was Joe's Pizza in LA. I know Grimaldi's was good. Well, Brooklyn North in Toronto is probably the best pizza I ever had. What do you think, Ava? Is that a no?
I didn't go there.
Brooklyn North? You came with us to Brooklyn North. In Toronto? With Yomani?
No.
You weren't there?
No.
Oh. Why weren't you there?
I don't know.
Are you sure? It looks like you were in the video.
No.
Oh no, you weren't with us. Sorry, kid. Alright, anyway. Is that enough cheese for you? Enough cheese?
Yeah.
Alright, so you know what we're gonna do? A little bit of olive oil around the edges. What do you think? You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay, a little bit, not a lot. I don't know what I'm doing. A lot. Okay. You want yours on the bottom, higher or up top? Bottom, 550. Here it goes. Yours is in. Okay. This is gonna be for me and mommy. It'd be nice if I had a bigger spoon, but it'll pay off in the long run. The long wait, all this, it'll be worth it, Ava, believe me. When people make this dough, they're gonna be like, yeah, it is the best dough ever. And whole wheat, the semolina, like it adds a little, it makes it like not big and puffy, and it adds, the whole wheat adds a little bit of a nice texture and taste to it, and it's a combination, Ava. You know what I'm trying to say? Do you have any idea what I'm talking about? No? You don't care?
No.
Would you like to go back to LA? Huh?
Yeah.
Have black beer?
No.
I enjoyed that black beer. Do you remember where it was? The OEU building. Do you remember what time in the morning it was when we were drinking that, when I was drinking that beer? What time was it? Tell people.
I don't even know.
It was like 10 o'clock in the morning. Hey, we're Canadian. Canadians, we like our beer. Okay. Let's put our salami. This is Hungarian salami. I love Hungary. We're gonna put our bacon. This is our crispy bacon. Crisp to perfection. Shit, Eve, I think I gotta put this on the bottom. This one's too big for the top. Okay. We're gonna put our olives, Eva. Onions. Mushrooms. You like the way I just toss everything? Look at that. And peppers. I'm already gonna put peppers. This is more for mommy. She likes peppers. I'm gonna put on half. Because you know I love your mother. So there, half. Looks good? You got it?
Yep.
We're gonna stick it in the oven, Eva. We'll be back in a few, maybe 10 minutes. It'll be ready. Maybe quicker. Let's go. The first one's out, and as you can see, it's perfect. Okay, I know Ava doesn't like it really baked well. Like, you can put this in the oven for another 3 minutes if you want it, but it's perfect. Oh. You like it like this, Ava?
Yeah.
I knew it. This is a real, look how beautiful. Come on. Look how gooey it is. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, let me get you up. It's hot, David. I don't want you to burn your mouth on it, though. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. You want me to try your pizza? Even though it just came out of the oven?
Yeah.
Don't mind me, I look disheveled. Oh my God, I love it. For me, I would have baked them more, but for Ava, I know she likes it like this. It's perfect, Ava. Oh yeah, this is the winner. Wow. It's so good. All right. Let's go get my pizza out and cut that one and try it. I think this is a winner, Ava. Hope you enjoy it. And here's the winner. Winner, chicken dinner, Ava. Look how perfect it is. Look, perfect. See, I like mine a little bit more baked. Look at that beautiful crust. All right, this is the winner, ladies and gentlemen. So this week we're gonna work on breaking it down, because I do a 20 kilo recipe. 20 kilos of strong baker's flour, 2 kilos of semolina, 2 kilo whole wheat, sugar, salt, olive oil, little pinch of yeast, and mix it. So now I'm gonna break it down for you and mix it at home. Okay, Ava. Let's cut it. I love it. Ooh. beautiful, Ava. Like you. Like my little girl.
Oh, God.
We already know it's fabulous, Ava. Okay, this is gonna burn my mouth off. Do you really want to see me burn my mouth off? It came out so good. Look how nice. I know we're working in the dark here, Ava. I don't know if you can get it. It is perfect. This is the perfect recipe. This is the dough we're gonna go with, and this is the dough you're gonna go with. Listen, this is a winner. It's a winner. Your friends are gonna love you. It's fabulous. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is the recipe we're gonna teach you how to do, and trust me, you're gonna like it. If Ava likes it, you will like it. Ava, you like it?
Yeah.
That means a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned, because in the next video, or the video after, depends how fast we can do it, we're going to teach you how to make this. And hopefully Teresa is going to show us the tips on how to make the sauce. Perfecto. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ciao. Bro. Super fabulous New York style pizza.